Friends, myself Ashutosh Kumar Singh, PGT Mathematics. I want to here discuss after completing the topic set, representation of set and type of set. After that we have to discuss one more important points of the sets. Important point is here Venn diagram. What is Venn diagram? Most of the relation between set can be represented by means of diagram which are known as Venn diagram. In the Venn diagram, universal set is represented by a rectangle and its subsets by circle. Now suppose that an example is here. If universal set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 is subset, then Venn diagram will be, in Venn diagram all the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But in subset A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. So we have to circle 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 in circle and rest of the outside the circle. Now this is the Venn diagram. Now after that we have to discuss the operation on set. In set, which type of operation we have to use? Here, operation on set, there are two operations on set. First one is the union of sets and second one is the intersection of set. Now, first union of set, if A and B be two any sets, if A and B be any two sets, the union of two sets A and B is the set which consists of all the elements of set A and set B, comma, common element being taken only once. Suppose that in set A and in set B, any element are common in both. So when we have to write A union B, write only once time that any element which are common in both. It is denoted by the symbol capital U, like a capital U. So we write A union B and read as A union B. Now in A union B, some property is there. Property is very important. Property of operation of union set. First one is the commutative law. If A union B is equal to B union A. Now everyone have to know about that in commutative law regarding addition, subtraction, division, everyone. Now commutative law of A union B is equal to B union A. Associative law, if A union B bracket close union C is equal to A union bracket close B union C. Law of identity, if A union phi is equal to A. Idempotent law, if A union A is equal to A. Idempotent, it means find the union of any set by itself. Law of union, if a universal set is given and another set is there, then find the union of that set will be the union set. So law of union, if universal set, union A is equal to universal set. After completing the union of set, now second point is there, intersection of set. Now intersection of set, by another definition we have to explain. Intersection, it means the element which are common in both sets. Now definition is here, the intersection of set A and B is the set of all elements which are common in both set A and B. The symbol opposite of U is used to denote the intersection. It means suppose that two sets are given A and B, then the A intersection B will be which are common in both sets. Like this, suppose that SCF of two numbers, two sets. Now properties of operation of intersection. Now there are 5 properties here. 4 are same with the union and 5th are the different, here distributive law. Now first one is the commutative law. If A intersection B is equal to B intersection B, same as the union. Associative law, if A intersection B bracket close intersection C is equal to A intersection in bracket B intersection C. Now law of phi and union, if phi intersection A is equal to phi, it means phi means no element, A means any one element. Suppose that no element or any one element have no any one element will be common. That's why phi is intersection A is equal to phi. Union intersection A is equal to A. Idempotent law, if A intersection A is equal to A. Distributive law, if A intersection bracket close B union C is equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. This is the 5th law, only one difference of that union. Difference of set, the difference of set A and B in the order is the set of element which belongs to A but not B. It is denoted by A minus B. Suppose that we have to, by example, I want to understand. Suppose that A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and B is equal to 2, 4, 6. Now then A minus B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus B, it means 2, 4, 6. Then A minus B is equal to only which element will are common? 2 and 4 are common. What will be the rest element of set A? 1, 3, 5. This is the A minus B. It means difference of the set A and B. Don't write 6. What about the remaining element of set B? We don't write. Only remaining element of the set A we have to write. This one is the A minus B. Now exercise 1.4. Exercise 1.4. First question is given here. Find the union of each of the following. Find the union of each of the following. First question is here. X is equal to 1, 3, 5 and Y is equal to 1, 2, 3. Now X union Y is equal to 1. 1 will common in both, so we have to write 1 times. 2 and 3 in both, so we have to write 1 time and 5. Second one is the A, E, I, O, U is the set A and B is equal to A, B, C. So A union B is equal to A will common, we have to write 1 time. After that B, then C, E, I, O, U. This will be the A union B. Now third question is here. A is equal to X such that X is a natural number and multiple of 3. Natural number, it means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All the numbers. Dot, dot, dot. But in between them is also present a multiple of 3. It means 3, 6, 9. So we have to write here natural number and multiple of 3. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 50, 80, dot, dot, dot. X such that X is a natural number less than 6. Less than 6 natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 less than 6. Now A union B is equal to 1, 2, 4, 5 and multiple of 6. All the element of multiple of 6 and 1, 2, 4, 5. This will be the A union B. Similarly, fourth part you have to solve of this question number. Similarly, and fifth part is here A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to 5. Implies that A union B is equal to 1, 2, 3 because 5 is no any one element, the null set is here. Now similarly in question number 3, very tricky question is here. Two sets A and B are given that and A subset of B, then A union B is equal to what? It means two sets are given A and B and condition is given there A is subset of B. A is subset of B means all the element of set A present in all the element of set B. Now then what will be the value of A union B? The value of A union B is equal to B. How? By example, A, suppose that A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here all the element of set A present in set B, it means first condition will satisfy here, and then A union B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and what will be the value of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is mean set B. Now students, a very important chapter, the point of your preparation, IIT JEE Mains. So you have to understand, be and careful, and solve the exercise in sensitive way. Thank you.